Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So, what we have learned in the previous class, an interesting topic. What is the topic?
Animation.
Animation.
Is
Animation.
it an interesting topic?
Yes.
Yes.
I have.
So, we are
I
going
know
to continue with the chapter. Ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first, you just please be quiet. Let me explain the topic. After that, we will do the discussion and practical. Okay.
Okay,
So, in
ma'am.
the last class, we have learned till motion path, isn't it? Effect. So now we are going to see if we want to change any effect, what we can do. We can modify. If we want, we can modify the effect that we have selected. Okay. So there are different options through which we can modify our options that we have selected. Just click on the arrow. See, select an option from a drop down menu to change the default. So just select the arrow and you can just change what you have selected. Okay. Now we are going to do how, if we have, okay, you all know that in an object we can add different effects, isn't it? So what if I want to change the order of that effects? We can do that. To reorder that, first we have to go to the animation pane, from where you have to click and drag the effects up or down. Okay. And you can reorder according to your wish. So now we are going to see how we can reorder the effect that we have applied. Okay. So here you can see the option from where you can reorder. You can change the order of your effects. So I'm going to show the practical. First I will show you, then you can show me. Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. So first let me take the PowerPoint. After that, let's see how we can do it. So are you able to share the screen? See the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am going to just reorder the effects.
Ma'am, it is
Listen
visible.
carefully. Listen to me. Listen to me. Please mute your mic. Yes. So first I am going to insert a shape in my first slide. Okay. So I am going with the same smiley again. I'm going to color it. So I'm going to color it. Okay. From here, from shape fill, I'm going to color it. First I have to select the object. Okay. Then going with the, which color? This is not good. We will go with yellow. Okay. Now I'm going to add transition. Okay. Is it, did we learn transition? No, we are going to apply animation, isn't it?
We have studied animation.
So
Ma'am,
I'm
I know
going
the
to select,
transition.
wait. So we have just selected, I have just selected one animation. Here you can see the number. If I want to add more, I'm going with this also, the other one. Okay, if I want, here you can see two numbers. Can you see the two numbers? Because I have added two effects. Okay, can you see the two numbers, 1 and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
now I am
ma'am.
going to add one more effect. So from here, I would like to go with which one?
A funnel.
Funnel. Okay. Okay. Here you can here you can see three, isn't it? Can you see this? Three
Yes.
numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Now we are going to learn how we can order. Listen to me. Okay. So here you have to click this option. On the right side, you can see the order. Okay. So first, I will show you the order.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Wait. See, I have selected three effects, isn't it? So which is the first effect? This is my first effect. This is my second effect. This is my third effect. Is that clear? Now I want
Ma'am, I didn't
to change
understand.
the order. For that,
And
what
can
I have
you
to
show
do?
once more?
Okay, I
How
will
to
show
do
it
that?
once again. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Okay. So I am going to, I have just added three effects. So I will show you the effects. My first effect. Which was my first effect? This was my first effect. Okay. This is my second effect. And this is my third effect. I want to change the order. I want the third effect on my first position. Okay, for that here on the right side, you can see this, isn't it? First, you have to select the effect, then you can change that. So I have changed that effect, third effect to my first effect. So now let's see the change. See, this was our last effect, isn't it? In the previous slideshow, this was our last effect, right?
Yes.
Then this was our second and first. Is that clear? So if you want to change the order,
How
we
to
can.
color the color that blue?
Okay, that was an effect, my dear. In the animation, that was an effect. Here you can see. I have chosen this one.
Oh,
Okay, is that clear? So if you want, we can change the order. Is that clear for all? Yes. Now we are going to learn an interesting. Now we are going to learn an interesting topic. Okay. Now.
ma'am, transaction.
Yes, no. Wait. So next one is transaction. So what is a transaction? What is that?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Devdutt. What is that?
a slide appearing in a shape.
Okay. Namzia, what about you? According to you?
I don't know the correct definition.
Okay,
I
Devdutt.
don't
Okay,
know to tell the definition.
okay.
I
Wait.
know it what.
Okay, you know how to do. Okay, Namzia, what about you? Okay. According to girls team, from girls team, does anyone know what do you mean by transition? No idea. Boys, other than Devdutt, any idea? No idea, but you know how to do.
one negative to another.
Yes, Ashwin,
Slide
repeat.
Slide. Transform. Slide animation.
Correct, you are correct. Somewhat you are correct. Yes, Ashwin, repeat.
Miss Catherine.
Transformation.
One at a time. Wait, Ashwin. Yes, now Ashwin.
Transforming the slide.
Excellent. You are near to the answer. Ahayan, what according to you, what is transition?
Moving slide. Moving slide.
When you jump from one slide to another, you can see a change. Yes, Ain?
Slide animation.
Okay, let's see the definition of that. So you have seen that a slide transition is, all of you please take your book and write down the spelling of this. Transition, okay? So transition is the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to another. Okay, till yesterday we have learned about animation. It was, according to, it was about the change that occur on an object, isn't it? If you want to change the effect related to an object, we will use
Animation.
animation. What if we want to change the effect of a slide? We will use transition.
Transition.
If you want to change the effect of a slide, we will use transition. Okay, now we can also control the speed, we can add sound. If we want, we can customize the look of our transition. So now we are going to learn how. So first of all, you just write down the spelling. Mohammed Adnan, write down the spelling of transition. 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 Okay, take your book and write down the spelling of transition. It is Transition. So now, what is the difference? From here, you will get to know the difference. So all of you take your book and write down the difference. Animation means movement of text and
Object on the slide.
What about transition? Movement of slide.
Slide as
I don't know
to another side.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know
Ah.
to speed.
Wait, I will teach you. Devdutt, calm down. I will teach you. Wait.
I know to put that, but I don't.
Okay, quiet. So all of you please note down this about transition and animation. So animation means, Zahra, what is animation? Movement of? Zahra? Unmute. So what is animation?
Animation is movements of text and object on the slide.
Excellent. Mohammed Adnan, what is transition?
Movement of slide as it
Changes to another slide.
moves to other slide.
Okay, Farhan, what is the spelling of transition?
Transition.
Excellent. I hope you have completed this. So animation means movement of objects. Okay, I'm not going to change the slide. Write down. Animation means movement of text or objects. And what about transition? Movement of the slide. Okay, from as it changes to another slide. So this is all about animation and transition. So this is the difference between animation and transition. Now we are going to see the practical related to this. So note down, first you just write down this transition. Okay, now we are going to move to the next slide. So are you ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ready? Double?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Sarah is saying no. Write down. Yes, double okay. So we are moving to the
Ma'am,
next slide.
triple okay.
Triple okay, okay. Yes. So we are moving to the next slide. So
Finish.
first I will tell you the steps that we have to follow. Okay. First we have to select the slide. Then we have to go to the animation tab. There you can see the transition, different types of transition from where you have to select the transition that you want. Okay. Now we are going to see how. So I'm going to show the practical. For that, I'm going to share, insert 2 more slides. So this was my first slide. Now I am going to insert another slide also. Okay. From here, I'm going to insert one more slide. Here, I'm going to insert one shape. We will go with sun. Okay. I'm going to draw a sun here. Okay. Then I'm going to color it. Which color? Orange. Orange is okay. Okay. Now, here you can see transition. Okay. Here you can see transition from here where you can choose, see the difference. See the difference. Wow, right? See? Wow. If you want, you can just go with more. If you just choose this one, what will happen? See? Isn't it interesting? Yes? Say yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes. Which one? This one.
Ma'am, when you say that it was, you said that we should take animation. You said.
No, first, yesterday we have learned about animation, isn't it? Now we are going to learn about
Ma'am, you
transition.
said that if we want to take like this.
Change the order.
No, you said that to take the transaction, we should take
I
animation.
didn't get you.
You
No.
said-
So if you want transition, if you want to do anything related to transition, if you want to add effect related to that, you have to go to that tab. And if you want animation, there is another tab. Okay. So first you just listen, look at the screen. So we are going to go select our transition. So I'm just going with which one I want. Okay, I'm going with this. And if I want to apply to all the slide, I'm going to choose this. Now, are you ready to see the slideshow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. Wow. Right. Then,
Ma'am, this I know. I have done.
yes, see, what is this? What is this? Is this an example of transition or animation?
Animation.
What about this?
Animation.
What about this?
Animation.
What about this?
Transaction.
Not transaction, transition.
Animation.
This is transition. Okay, I will show it once again. Okay, what about this? This is
Animation.
what about this?
Animation.
What about this?
Animation.
This one?
Transaction.
Transition, not transaction. We are not transferring any money, okay? Transition. Transition. Okay, so we are moving to next topic. Ready?
I'm speak and like.
I will give you the chance. Wait, I will give you a chance. First, let me show you different topics. Let me cover different topics. So now we are going to learn how to apply. Now we have seen how to apply a slide transition to all the slides. Here you can see the option for that. Apply to all. If you want to apply the transition to all the slides, you will choose the option apply to all. Now, if you want to set a speed. Now let's see how. So here you can see the steps. First we have to select the slide. Okay, then in the animation tab, we can see the option. Okay, so here you can see in the animation tab, you can see the option transition speed, from where you can select the speed that you want. If you want to apply to all the slides, you can just go with apply to all. Okay, now if you want to, if you want, we can also set sound. Okay, for that, here you can see the option transition sound, from where you can select the sound that you want. Okay, now we have discussed about speed and sound. If you want, we can also go with time. Okay, see, when I was clicking mouse, if I want to shift from one effect to another, other than that, I can also set timer. Okay, for that, there are different options. So I will show you how we can set a timer, how we can set a sound, how we can set everything that we have discussed right now. So are you ready to see? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So
I'm
first you just,
ready.
okay, wait. First you just listen to me, okay? After that, we will have a discussion. So first thing is that, what is the first thing? See,
To take transaction.
okay. See on this tab, as the version differs, the tabs, there will be changes, okay? So here you can see the option sound. Okay, can you see the sound option?
Yes.
Okay, so I will share the sound once again. I will share the screen once again so that you can hear the sound properly. So I'm going to add or set sound. So for that, wait. For that, first you have to select the sound. I'm going to select the sound, which one? Camera. Okay, and I'm going to apply to all this. So did you hear that?
Yes.
Wait. Okay, wait. I'm going to share the screen. Listen, okay? Please be quiet.
And this I also know.
Wait. See, did you hear that?
Yes.
Wait. See? Wow, right? So now I'm going to change the sound once again.
Ma'am, whoosh.
Which one? Drum roll.
Yes.
Okay, now see, let's see the sound. Let's hear that. Oh my god. Wow, right? Okay. See. Okay. Wow. Okay, next one. We will go with another sound.
Ma'am, whoosh.
Which one?
Whoosh.
Where is bush?
I see the.
You saw
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Hammer,
Last
wait. Let me see. Go with hammer.
hammer.
Okay. Did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am. Ding.
See, wait. Oh, quiet. If you want to hear that, quiet. Okay. I hope you have heard that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is all about our sound. See, now here you can speed your duration. You can set your duration of the slide. Okay, if you want, you can slow it down, you can speed. So I'm going to apply it to all the slide. Now let's have a look. The changes that occurred right now. What happened? See, it is too slow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When we compare it with previous. Okay, now I told you that if I want to jump, if I want to change the effect, I was using
Ma'am,
mouse.
speed up.
Wait. If I want, I was telling that if when I want to jump from one effect to another effect, I was using mouse. I can set timer. So I'm going to set the timer. I'm not going to use my mouse. Okay. And I'm going to select apply to all. Okay. Now I'm going to select the first slide. From here, I'm going to start slideshow. I'm not going to press the mouse. It is automatically coming. See?
Yes, ma'am.
It is automatically coming. See, my hands are free. Wow, right? Yes. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to set once again. Listen, and you just look at my hands also. I'm not using any mouse. So for that, I'm going to press it once again. I'm going to change the sound. Which one we will go with? Which sound do you want? Voltage?
Ma'am, typewriting.
Typewriting, okay. Okay. Now I'm going to set the timer. It is already set. I'm going to apply it. Okay, I'm going to reduce the screen. Wait, and to change the duration. Okay, now I'm going to apply to all. I'm not going to press anything. You just look at my hands. See what happened? Speed, right? See my hands.
So speed.
So speed. Is that clear?
Ma'am, I didn't see.
You didn't see my hand? You didn't see my hand?
Ma'am, can you show once more?
Okay, I will show it once more. Let me change the sound. Okay, wait. I think drum is better than this.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm going to apply. So you can, if you want, you can also see my hands. I'm not going to show anything. I'm not going to press my mouse. See, it is automatically coming. Isn't it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is your.
So one more topic to go. After that, you have to do the practical. So I'm going to move to the next topic. So that is, we have discussed till here. This is our last topic. So after, there will be some situations when we have to move to the next slide. For that, we can do the following things using the keyboard. We can press the right arrow key. If we want, we can press enter key. If you want, we can press page down key. If you want, we can left click the slide. Okay. And this is the second task, which means that if we want to go to the previous slide, we can use left arrow key, or we can use backspace key, or if we want, we can also use page up key. And most important thing, after completing the slideshow, if we want to end the slideshow, we have to press which key? Escape key. Note down this. End the slideshow and return to PowerPoint. If you want to do like this, Amal, note down this. Press escape key. Okay,
Escape.
note down this.
Escape.
Yes, escape key. Yeah, Rishikesh, very good. Note down this. So there are different tasks and there are different procedures for that. So now we are going to read it once again. Yes. So we are going to read it once again. So the first task is, if you want to go to the next slide, we have to click either right arrow key or enter key, or we have to press page down key or left click the slide. Second task is go to the previous slide. If you want to do that, we can press left arrow key or backspace key, or we can choose page up key. And if you want to end the slideshow, which key we will use?
Escape key.
Escape key. ESC stands for escape key. Okay. So this is all about our different tasks. So now I'm going to share the screen once again. I'm going to share the PowerPoint once again. So I will be calling randomly. You have to tell me how we have to do the transition and animation. Okay. Now I will be doing and you have to guide me. Sometimes I will be wrong, but you have to guide me. Is that clear? Ready for that task?
Yes.
And we will be conducting this as a competition between the two teams.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
I will be randomly calling each and every one. Okay? So you have to tell me, you have to guide me.
Ma'am,
I don't know anything to do. You have to guide me. Okay? Ready for that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, and one thing more, you have to be quiet. Otherwise, your team's mark will be reduced. So now we are going to start a competition between girls team versus,
Girls team.
and one more team is there.
Boys.
Boys.
My team. Girls one, boys
Teacher
1 and
team.
13. Yeah,
Teachers
teacher
team.
team. Not teachers team. I'm there. So I think I will be the winner. Let me see. Are you ready to challenge me?
Yes.
Don't shout.
Boys will win.
Okay. So it's the time for competition. So we are going to start the competition. So first, I would like to call from boys team. From boys, I would like to call. So this is all about chapter. Our chapter is finished. Wazim. I would like to call Wazim. Wazim. Wazim, Am I audible? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just tell me, if I want to insert a shape, what I have to do? Tell me, which option I have to choose from here? Which tab?
Insert.
Okay, insert. Okay, Wazim. Okay, I have just clicked insert. From there, which option I have to choose? Which option? Is it online pictures, screenshot, photo album, shapes, smart
Photo
tab?
album.
If I want to insert shapes,
Shapes.
shapes, okay. From here, which shape do you want? Which one? Hmm.
Next.
Which shape? This one is okay. My smiley, my personal smiley. Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now Megha from girls team.
Yes, ma'am.
If I want to color it, from where I will choose?
Excuse me, ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You're not able to see the board. What about others?
Ma'am, it's
We can see.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
we
is
should
dark.
take the animation
Wait,
and we
wait.
should take full color.
I will share the screen once again. Okay. Check whether you are able to see or not. Okay. Now, yes, Megha.
Ma'am, we should take animation.
Now it's okay,
Is
ma'am.
it animation? If I want to color it, see above, you can see different options. Will you get an option? Can you choose an option from this? Shape, fill, shape of
Shape
out.
fill.
Okay. From here, I'm going, which color do you want?
Black.
Black. See, it's very ugly.
White.
White.
Can you put black?
Okay, you want black. Okay, we will go with black. Oh my God. What a gala. Okay. Okay. So
Ma'am,
one
it's red,
points
red.
each. One points each. Now I would like to call Anthony from the boys team. Anthony. Unmute.
Ma'am, can we do on the side?
Yeah. Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which if I want to add transition or sorry, if I want to add animation, which one I will choose?
Go to animation.
Okay, now Akshay, tell me which one I have to choose from here. Which one do you want?
Shape.
Shape? Where is shape? Huh? Which effect do you want? Entrance, emphasis, exit, or motion path?
Entrance.
Entrance. From entrance, which one do you want? Okay, Niranjana, which one do you want? If you want, you can also go with more option.
Ma'am, wheel.
Wheel. Where is wheel? Where is wheel? Okay, wheel.
In the
Okay, Agnes. Which one do you want, my dear? Any other? Send a message in the chat box. Okay, now I would like to call Rishikesh. Which one do you want? If you want to add more effect, which one do you want? Rishikesh, tell me, which one? Yes, Rishikesh, tell me, which one do you want?
Ma'am, loops.
Loops. Where is loop? Okay, in this one. Okay. Okay, so two transitions. So now from girls, Ivana, which one do you want? Ivana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one do you want? Which transition do you want? From emphasis. Choose one. Okay. Catherine, which one do you want? From exit. Choose one.
Ma'am, can you change this color? It's very ugly.
Which Catherine, muted, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Which
A
one do you want?
diamond. Diamond.
Diamond. Okay, Farhan, now tell me if I want to add sound, which I have to choose, which option I have to choose? Yes. Which one do you want? Farhan, Via, yes. Which one? Huh.
Push.
Push. Where is push? Okay, push. Okay, now we are going to start slideshow.
I wanna live.
Did you hear that? From who is singing that song? Quiet.
Ma'am, girl. Can.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Wait. See.
your video is off.
Yes. See. See. Okay. See.
Ma'am, can you show one so I didn't see?
Actually, this color is not so good. Okay, so this is all about that we have learned today. How was the chapter? Is it interesting?
Yes.
Okay. You enjoy this chapter? Anyway, I am the winner. So trophy goes to me. So bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.